Hi everyone, thank you for joining me tonight. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the 2024 limited edition Jolly Box from Fat Quarter Shop. This does sell for $69.98 on their website. It was a $4.99 reservation fee, and then of course you also have to pay shipping. This is a limited edition box that Fat Quarter Shop puts out. They put 4 of these out every year. Limited edition boxes, not necessarily for Jolly boxes. So you have the Jolly box here in December, shortly in a couple days, and then you have the Cupid box in February, and then you have the Liberty box in July, and then the Spooky box in October. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. These things are usually pretty awesome. Usually the limited edition items inside are not found on Fat Quarter Shop. They are exclusive to this box, which makes it even extra special. And I did check the website actually before I started filming this, and unfortunately they are sold out, but you can notify me when in stock, it says on the bottom. You can also check out the Sew Sampler Swap Facebook group as well. Sometimes people like to sell these if they didn't like the box contents. All right, let's dive in and see what's inside. Okay, hopefully you can see this insert. There's a little bit of a glare. It just says limited edition Jolly Box, Fat Quarter Shop. And let's see, we get a free copy of Peppermint Lane, Block of the Month by It's So Emma on the back. I think I actually have this book already. All right, next we have our foldable insert here. This has all of the box contents as well as the prices of each item. So we'll go ahead and total this up at the very end to see what we saved, if anything, with this box. Okay, first up here we have the Snowman melamine tray by Fat Quarter Shop. These are the kind you cannot put in the microwave. It says 2024 Jolly Box exclusive. This retails for $10.98. And I'll go ahead and open this for you. Look how cute that is. If you guys have little kids, you could totally put cookies out for Santa on this little tray, maybe even a little glass of milk. So this says, this Jolly melamine tray from Fat Quarter Shop, adorned with an original charming snowman print, is here to sprinkle a frosty dose of Christmas cheer. It's a Jolly Box exclusive, perfect for decking your halls and serving up smiles and cookies for Santa all winter long. Let's see, 2024 Jolly Box Fat Quarter Shop, it says on the back. There are no instructions, but I know from having kids that you cannot put these in the microwave. So if anybody else got these, do not put it in the microwave. All right, these are super cute and they're such a glare. Hopefully you can see this. Snowman button pack for Snowman Society by Just Another Button Company for Fat Quarter Shop. This retails for $30.98. I'm a little bit shocked by that number, I have to admit. It says, do you want to build a snowman? The Snowman Society button pack is the frosty finish. With 34 coal eyes and 17 carat noses, your quilt will be snow-tastically stylish, exclusively designed by Just Another Button Company, known for their beautiful handmade button styles to coordinate with the Snowman Society quilt in this box. Ooh, now I'm really excited. These buttons will make your quilt the coolest thing since snow. Okay, so it's 34 round black buttons and then 17 orange carrot buttons, it says on the back here. Of course, this is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive for the Jolly Box. Those are super cute. And now I'm just really excited because apparently there's going to be a snowman quilt, so spoiler alert. So here's the cute little snowman nose. And then just regular little circular black buttons. All right, next up is Gutterman thread. If you guys know me, this is my favorite thread in the whole wide world. I get mine at wawwacksewing.com. I know this is a Fat Quarter Shop box, and I am so sorry, but Wawwack has the huge spools of these for really cheap, and they have like the entire rainbow, all the different colors. Anyway, this is Snowman Society thread pack set by Gutterman for Fat Quarter Shop. It retails for $5.94, and this says the Snowman Society thread set by Gutterman is your merry 50-weight cotton thread. Pairing perfectly with the Snowman Society button pack for a jolly Christmas finish. Piece and stitch your Snowman Society quilt with these 3 spools by the fire as you sip some hot cocoa. So much more awaits. That is sew with an S-E-W. Okay, next up here we have the gift tag stickers by Fat Quarter Shop. These retail for $4.98. And I will take this out of the packaging because I can see that there's a glare. It says, transform your Christmas gift wrapping into an effortless task with the exclusive Fat Quarter Shop gift tag stickers from the Jolly Box. These charming adhesive sticker tags are cute and compact, making them perfect for gift bags and wrapping alike. Simply jot down the names of the sender and the lucky receiver, and it's instantly ready to go under your tree. Okay, so it looks like they're all the same. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets. Okay, these are cute. Well, now I'm just laughing at myself because Fat Quarter Shop had their early Black Friday sales for the last 3 days or so, and I totally already bought a whole bunch of yardage of this, but you know, I love Sweetwater and I am totally okay with having a whole bunch more. So we have On Dasher by Sweetwater. This fabric is incredible. I love it so much. Check it out on Fat Quarter Shop. Oh yeah, by the way, today's Black Friday. They're totally having their sale. I think it's like 15% off the whole site. And then you also get a bag with a $200 purchase, and it's valued at $40. So yeah, stay tuned for that too in a week or two, because I'll be getting my mystery gift, my mystery bag as well, and I'll be sharing that with all of you. Anyway, let's look at the fabric. So this is Snowman Society On Dasher Fat Quarter Bundle by Sweetwater from Moda Fabrics. This retails for $49.98. I think that's the most expensive fabric we've ever gotten, and you can see there's a lot of fat quarters here. Anyway, this says have a jolly Christmas with the On Dasher fabric by Sweetwater from Moda Fabrics. It's packed with delightful Christmas prints like reindeer and snowmen, accented with plastic plaids and dots. This magical set of 12 fat quarters will sprinkle joy everywhere with its charming designs and merry mix of powder blue, rich red, and leaf green. So let the cheer commence. Okay, I wish I knew that that was powder blue, because I actually thought it was gray on their website, and I chose not to get any other gray. I just got all the reds and greens. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at the fabric. And for those of you that like to fast forward through this part, I will go ahead and put it up here as well, the little color chart, fabric chart, so that you know what's in the pack without having to look through all of the fabric. So you have this super cute kind of like letters, and it has ornament, family, deck the halls, ice skating, antlers, just all the cute Christmassy things, and the coordinating letters that go with those things. Okay, and here they have a gray colorway. They were actually sold out of the gray colorway online. They did not have this one yesterday, just the red. They were also sold out of this reindeer print yesterday. They did have the gray, and they had another colorway as well. But look how cute those little guys are. Although I guess they said it's powder blue. I'm sorry, it's not gray. This is powder blue. But just because now I'm driving myself crazy. This is gray though, and this is powder blue. And then you have this print. Okay, you have this one with all of the reindeer names. This was also sold out. They had the black and white, but not the green. This was sold out, but it's super cute as well. These little kind of different sized dots in green and red. Same thing, this was sold out, and this is gray. This is not the light blue. Just really cute. It's kind of like a rooftop design. If you could see it up close, it kind of looks like mermaid scales, but like when you think about a gingerbread house, kind of like the roof on that, I'm sure you can visualize it. They also had this in a red colorway, because I did get that one, and it almost looks pink online, but it's definitely a red colorway. And then you have these, and I did get these little cute trees. Although I don't know why I'm telling you all of this, because I was going to do an unboxing, but now you kind of already know. Unless maybe you don't watch this and you watch my unboxing instead. Anyway, here is a different color. This is the powder blue colorway for those trees. And that's it. That's a awesome pack of fat quarters, and I'm definitely in love so far with this box. We still have a little bit more to go, but just let me know down below what your favorite item is. I love absolutely everything, like I always do with these specialty boxes, and I can't pick just one item, so I'm not going to. I love everything. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think, and also check out the links down below. I will go ahead and link the things that are available that aren't exclusive to the box, and then also check out their Black Friday sales. Okay, so this honestly might be the best Jolly box that I've ever received. Look at this adorable pattern, you guys. Snowman Society quilt pattern. This is by Fat Quarter Shop. Here, I'll get you closer because it's really, really cute. It retails for $9.98. And it says the Snowman Society quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop is bound to jingle its way into your Christmas traditions. Built with adorable snowman blocks, mix and match the festive fabrics from the included fat quarters to your heart's holiday delight. Top it off with the sweet button pack and thread set for a quilt that'll slay all season long. Limited finishing kits are available at Fat Quarter Shop, and honestly, well, the yardage is pretty slim right now with the On Dasher, so I would definitely get on this. Get your finishing kit. Make sure, if you don't like the finishing kit, because sometimes I don't like the backing that comes with this. Actually, does the finishing kit include the backing? I actually don't know. I can go ahead and put that down below. I would assume it would, but if it doesn't, make sure that you get in on it soon, so that you can make sure that you get enough backing fabric of the On Dasher, because like I said, it's very limited stock and there's very limited options as well. And then one other side note, just because I am a long arm quilter, if you're gonna take your quilt to a long arm quilter, do not sew your buttons on until after it's been quilted. I have had a woman, she brought me a beautiful Christmas tree quilt and she did little buttons all over the Christmas tree. And unfortunately she did have to take them off because I do edge to edge. I didn't do custom at the time and I still kind of don't-ish. Anyway, yes, don't put them on until after it's done being quilted. All right, so that's it for the box. Let's go ahead and add up the total and see how much we saved. All right, so I added up the box total, $112. Can you see that? And 84 cents. That's amazing. So we paid $69.98 for this box, plus the $4.99 reservation fee, plus the shipping, which usually for sew sampler boxes, it's $4.95. So I'm assuming it's something similar as well. That is quite a bit of savings. Let me go ahead and add that up really quick. All right, so that's $32.92 in savings if you total all of that up. I think that's a great deal, and I really think that these boxes are worth getting, so make sure you check them out. I always, if you are subscribed to me, and please like and subscribe to my channel, but if you are, I have a community page, and as soon as these boxes hit shelves, for pre-order, I do go ahead and let everybody know in my community chat so you can go ahead and get your own box and you don't miss out because they are limited edition and they sell it pretty fast. All right, thank you so much, everybody. Oh, really quick, I do have one quilt that I want to show you. So if you feel like looking at this quilt that I just finished for a customer, it's a cool one. Go ahead and stay tuned. If not, I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. I can't hold up her whole quilt because it's massive, but look how beautiful this is. This is the Postcards to Sweden. Okay, and then I did a design called Turnstiles. I don't know if you can see that. It's Turnstiles by Long Arm League, which I am a part of as a long arm quilter. So it's cute. It's kind of like diamond shapes, and then it has this little turnstile design inside. I thought this would be really fun because it's colorful and the design is kind of fun and colorful. And then what I like to do is with all these diagonals from the half square triangles, I like to kind of echo them, which is why I have the diamonds as well. I know some people like to do, you know, swirls or circles, something to kind of break up those harsh lines of the diagonals, but I really like to actually kind of bring them out more with the echoing. So yeah, if you like this quilt, let me know down below. All right, thanks so much. Bye, everyone.